factors of numbers. Factors of numbers. Odd numbers in particular. Let me write today's date. Yes, I put today's date because I want it to be any day you are watching. That's your own date. So when we say factors of numbers, factors of let me say a given number. We are given a number. A given number. Factors of a given number are all the numbers. That can divide the particular given number, or the given number. I can divide the given number without remainder. It will not have remainder. So what I'm trying to say in essence is that if I should say that this number is a factor of this number, that number, when you use it to divide the number you are given, it will not give you remainder. That means it will divide it straight. So that number that divides that number straight is a factor of that given number. Let's go to examples so that you can understand better. Examples. Find all the factors of the following numbers. All the factors of the following numbers. Let me say 12, number 2, 30, number 3. Let's say which number? Let's say 75. Now let's find solution to it. Number 1, 12. You want to find all the factors of 12. You want to find it. I said those are the numbers that can divide this number without remainder. That means all the numbers that can divide 12 without remainder, all the numbers that can divide 30 without remainder, all the numbers that can divide 75 without remainder, and any other numbers that you are given. Now let's go to 12 first. Which number can divide 12? Anytime you want to find the factors, please let me state this. You start from number 1, the way we used to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you'll be picking it one by one and be saying which one can divide this number without remainder. So 1 in 12, 1 divided by 12, that's 12. 1 is a universal factor, that means it divides all the number. So I usually encourage them that just write 1 times the number. You've gotten 2 factors, right? So after 1, what am I going to count again? I will count 2. 2 divided by 12. That one will give me 6. Yes. 2 times 6. That's 12 also. After 1, 2, I'll go to 3. 3 divided by 12. That one will give me 4. 3 times 4. That's 12. After 1, 2, 3, I'll go to 4. 4 divided by 12. That one will give me 3. Note, anytime we get to a stage where we are writing one number twice, that means there are no other factors again. Like I've written 3 here, I'm writing 3 again. Even if it is, I'm writing 4 here, I'm also writing 4 here. Even if it is just a single number that I've written twice, that means there are no other factors again. I'm supposed to stop anywhere I see that I'm repeating a number. Because whenever we are counting, we don't repeat them. We don't say 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. No, we count. So we are going to claim this. We cannot write one number twice as a factor. So in this case, factors of 12 are. I usually encourage students that if you want to find factors, at the front, put a down arrow. That means you are writing it down like this. And at the back, let your arrow, let it go up. That means you are writing it up. So 1, the next one, 2, the next one, 3. The next one, we are now, when we finish this, we are now coming here. We are going up. 4, 6, and the last one is 12. So these are the factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. There are no other factors of except this. Now let's go to the second one, which is 30. We want to find factors of 30. So we do it the same way. I've told us 1 is a universal factor. That means 1 can divide all the numbers. So 1 divided by 30 will give us 30. After 1, what are we going to write again? 2. So 2 divided by 30, can it divide? Yes, it can divide without remainder. So 2 times 15. 2 in 30 is 15. So after 2, we go to 1, 2, 3. We go to 3. 3 divided by 30, that is 10. So 3 times 10. After 3, we go to 4. Can 4 divide 30? It will have remainder, so we are not using it. You know, I told us it must not have remainder. We said without remainder. So it's having remainder, we're not using 4. Let's go to the next number after 4, which is 5. 5 divided by 30 is 6. That means 5 times 6 will give us 30. And after 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 6 divided by 30, that's 5. 6 times 5, 30. Don't forget, I said it earlier here, that when you are writing a number twice, that means you don't need to write the second set of numbers, because this is where your factors end. So, and I said we are going to put arrow like this. Note, there is no rule that said we must write it accordingly, but I prefer that you write it accordingly so that it will even help you to see whatever you are doing. So factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, I'm not going up now, 6, 10, 15, and 30. These are the factors of 30. Now let's go to the third one, which is 75. Factors of 75. We are doing it the same way. 1, I've told us 1 times this number will give us that number back, and 1 times 75 is equal to 75. We try to, can 2 divide? 2 cannot even divide. You're supposed to know. In your primary classes, you must have been told that any number that is ending with 5, 2 cannot divide such number. So, we know 2 cannot divide. 3, let's see. Can 3 divide 75? Yes, 3 can divide 75. That's 25. 3 times 25. After 3, let's go to 4. 4 can't divide it. 4 cannot divide. And it's because if we say 4 here, will give us 1 remainder. 3, 4 and 35, no? Let's go to 5. The number that is ending with 5, 5 will definitely divide it. So let's see. 5 times 15 will give us 75. After 5, we go to 6. Can 6 divide? Let's see. 6 in 7, 1. Remainder 1, 6 in 15. Can't divide. Let's go to 7. 7 in 7. Oh, it won't go in this one. Okay, let's go to 8. Let's go to 9, 10, 11, 12. And if you continue working it, you will see that it is until you get to 15 again that you will see the next factor. And you already know we are not writing this. So, factors of 75 are, they are coming down. 1, 3, 5, 15, 25, and 75. That is that. Now, hope you can find this as your own exercise. You can do this. You can do this on your own. Find the factors of the following numbers. Number 1, 24. Number 2, 36. So try your hand on those two.